Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's a little bit of a different haul. I was watching a girl do a clean with me, and she was showing her Grove purchases or Grove cleaners that she was using, and I'm like, you know what, I use some of that stuff. So she had like a referral link down below in her video. Now, if you're a VCS lover, a wax lover, and you like Central Park Snow Globe, stay tuned because there is a product in here that smells exactly like it, and I'm freaking living for it. So I'm gonna put my link down below to get the 5 free products. I think these are what they are. You can choose the scents of your choice, and also I believe on this caddy, this cleaning caddy, you can choose the color. I know when I used the other girl's referral link, it had the option for me to get red, white. There's a couple other colors, and also you can choose your scents. Like in the hand soap, you don't have to get peppermint. You can get any of the seasonal scents or any of the regular Mrs. Meyer's stuff. So let me show you, because in my order as well, not only did I get the 5 free gifts, but I also got something else for free. And I feel like one other thing was free, but I can't remember what it was. But they're always giving you like free gifts, what have you. Now, when you do sign up, it does enroll you in the VIP program, which you get for 2 months for free. You can cancel at any time. And I had actually thought, you know what, I'm just going to use my 2 months and then probably cancel. But I'm actually like so impressed. I think I might just stick with it. It seems like the prices are pretty reasonable compared to like Target. And sometimes I can't even find this stuff at Target. Like, I went the other day to grab 2 things. I wanted the peppermint scented stuff, and then I also wanted my favorite floor cleaner. They didn't have either one, so I was just like, okay. So anyways, let me show you what I got. I'm super excited. I got a lot of stuff that I haven't had in a while and some returning favorites. And so the first thing I want to show is the Peppermint Miss Meyer's Peppermint Scent Multi-Surface Everyday Cleaner. This smells exactly like VCS Central Park Snow Globe. If you don't know what VCS is, it's a scented wax company, and a lot of people like that scent. It's like a peppermint, kind of vanilla bean Noel type scent, and that's exactly what this smells like. I already have a bottle. I've been using it like crazy, so you can see I've only had it like a week, and you can see how much I've used because I've just been spraying the hell out of everything. I love her multi-surface cleaners just to clean my counters off at the end of the night. So you get that, or whatever scent you would like. Then you get a hand soap. Mine is messed up here because they put labels over the top so they don't spill. So I got a hand soap. And then I got the dish soap, which I am super stoked about. Can't wait to have Central Park Snow Globe smelling dishes. And then also you get a pack of walnut and cellulose scrubber sponges. For some reason, I have another order going right now, and these are free in that order as well. So I don't know if that's because I'm a VIP right now or what exactly that is, but like they give you all kinds of free things. So I think that's kind of cool. So here is the little caddy that you get, the little cleaning caddy. And I don't know if I would use this for, like, if I can put water in here, because sometimes I usually take a bucket around. I'll probably just use it to hold things, but it just says cleaning caddy. Okay, so let me move that. So those are the 5 free things I got. And then also free, I'm not really sure how I got this free, but it comes in this super sturdy packaging, 16-ounce spray bottle. It's glass, but it has like a little protector on the bottom. This is periwinkle. Super pretty. I've wanted to switch to glass bottles for a while for my cleaning products, but I've always been scared of like breaking them or whatever. But this is like, you know, it's super sturdy, and the glass doesn't feel like it's super breakable. You know what I mean? So this would be great for like to make your own. I always like to make my own window spray, you know, mirror spray. Sorry, I'm talking really fast. I'm really excited. But this was pretty expensive on its own, and I got it for free. So it seems like if you're a VIP member, you get a lot of things for free. So it kind of makes up for the cost of being a VIP, and I think you only pay the VIP once, and I think it's $19.99 to be a VIP. I don't know if it's for life or for the year, but it seems like you get a lot of free stuff in exchange. So the next thing I have is the Squirt and Mop in the Ginger Yuzu scent. I love this stuff. I could not find it at any of my local stores, so it just smells really good. And I like using it on my floors. Oh, the other scent I was going to show you that's out right now that you can choose for your free stuff is Iowa Pine. This one smells really good. There's also Orange Clove, which I had last year, but I went through the entire bottle, and the Pine is about there. So I went through these. I even used them after the holiday season. This one smells good. It doesn't smell like a cleaning type of pine. It just smells like pine. It's really, really nice. So I got that, or I didn't get that this time, but that's for my own collection. So this one I'm trying, and I'm going to give it a go. This is the Miss Meyer's Clean Day Baking Soda Cream Cleaner. Now I have been using, what have I been using? Barkeeper's Friend. And I really like that, but I wanted to try something new. I always feel like Barkeeper's Friend leaves my hands feeling really yucky. So I thought something more natural. And this is Lemon Verbena scent. So it's it's not like a cleaner lemon. It's kind of more like a herbal lemon. I'm excited to try this and use it. So I got that. I'm going to use it in my sinks today. The next thing that I haven't had in a long time, and I remember I really loved this stuff. This is the Lavender Flower and Mint in the 7th generation dishwashing liquid, or dish liquid. Jeez. I remember I used to love this scent. I can't smell it now, but I remember when I would do my dishes and this would start like filling up in the water. I just remember thinking like I liked doing dishes at that moment. Okay, and then I'm going to show you guys this. I have one more thing. So I'm going to show you this. I saw these. These are European dishcloths. And I saw these and I wasn't really interested in these at all. They're kind of weird feeling. Like they feel almost like cardboard. But someone was saying that these don't get stinky and you can put them in your dishwasher with your dishes and they clean right up. I don't know what the care of is. Like if you want to... when you want to clean them, simply pop them in the dishwasher to easily disinfect. So these are durable and absorbent sponge cloths, are perfect for mopping up any mess. Huh, okay. So I'm going to try those and I will get back to you on how those work. So I'll probably have another Grove haul coming along soon. And okay, the last thing I got, and I was super stoked to see this item in stock because I had this, I think last year or the year before. I had Honeycrisp Apple and I freaking love the scent. You can see how much I have left. I've been like savoring this last little bit. It came in this super cute limited edition packaging, which I totally fell in love with. But I saw that they had it in the Honeycrisp Apple. I just happened to be looking down at the scents of the Method stuff and I saw Honeycrisp Apple and I was like, hey. So I now have my Honeycrisp Apple again. If you like apple scents whatsoever, this is the scent for you. Okay, so and that is a great alternative for fall as well. So if you are interested in getting a 5-piece free gift just for using my referral link down below, I will list that down below and let me know if you decide to get anything. So you get 5 free products. You get the Mrs. Meyer's. Actually, just if you follow the link, it'll put all the things in your cart and then you can just add like whatever scent you want. You can choose. So whatever Miss Meyer's they have a lot. I think they have everything. So you get the dish soap, the hand soap, the surface cleaner, the bin, the cleaning caddy, the walnut scrubbers. And then I don't know, if you are interested in other things, if you add more things to your cart, they start giving you more free things. So this I ended up getting free. I don't really know how, but that is it. Okay, if you guys have any questions, please ask down below. Again, I will put the little link in the description box, right above my Ebates, which I never talk about my Ebates because sometimes I forget to use Ebates. But that is it. If you like Central Park Snow Globe, try the Peppermint scent. I think it is very similar. I love it, and I will see you guys in my next video. If you guys shop at the Grove, let me know what you like, what your favorite item is, and I will talk to you guys later. Okay, bye guys.